What's up, everyone? We got a scent review today. We got Boss the Scent Parfum. I've never smelled it, and I would like to give a reaction for everyone. I've smelled Boss bottled fragrances, but I've never smelled Boss the Scent fragrances in that fragrance line. I'd love to give my reaction. Really, before we unbox it, I got this for $50 at Ross. Super good discount. Before we hop into it, I know that it has a few notes in there, like iris and leather and a fruit, but I didn't know how this smells or anything like that. But I do know that it has iris and leather and a fruit note. I'm not too big on leather. If it's an animalic leather, I don't like it. If it's too barnyardy smelling, like hay and rough, rugged smell, I don't really like that. But I love iris. Iris is a good fragrance note. Okay, we got the fragrance here. Got the cap. Alrighty. Let's get a spray test here. Okay, it clicks on. So far, so good. Okay. So far, what I smell is it's a little tad bit powdery. It's sweet. It's almost soapy whenever you first spray it on with the florals. It's kind of soapy. You get a little bit of fruit. Wow, it's kind of soapy smelling a little bit. That's very interesting. This is by far probably the best Boss fragrance I have smelled. And put it down in the comments, another Boss fragrance that y'all want me to check out, and I'll try to review that. Yeah, it's super sweet, powdery. It's a little soapy. It has a little bit of fruit. Has like a nice iris note. It's not, to me, it's not lipsticky iris. It's more of the flower. It's honestly not bad. I do like it. I do like it. It's not bad at all. It's the best Boss fragrance I've smelled. I think we got a banger here. I rate it an 8.8 out of 10. I'm going to do a recap tomorrow, and we'll see what the dry downs are like. See ya.